So congratulations, you've understood the basics of affiliate marketing, you've understood whether affiliate marketing is right for your business, you've understood whether your website is right for affiliate marketing and maybe made some adjustments, and you've also developed your affiliate marketing strategy. So now we're going to look at actually setting up your affiliate marketing program. There are some various requirements that's going to be needed to set up your affiliate program correctly, and the first of these are creative requirements. So you're going to need some generic creative to help your affiliates promote your brand across their channels. So this can be some generic banners and also some logos in a variety of sizes. Your affiliate network will advise on the standard sizes that they require just to launch your program, and also some of the other sizes that may be required. There's a point that I would make here though, and some tips that I would give, that it's likely that when you launch your affiliate program, you will get some requests coming through from affiliates to create some custom sized creative for them. So my advice would be that you only create these if you actually have the resources and you are sure that they can deliver on revenue. But your network, or perhaps your agency, they might be able to advise you on who those large affiliates are that you need to attract, and also perhaps create that custom creative for. Also make sure you provide a HTML email for those email affiliates, because then you can take advantage of the opportunity to be mailed to their target audiences. Do make sure that you co-brand any HTML email with the affiliate's brand, because this can help you avoid issues of damaging your brand, because sometimes email affiliates can send out these HTML emails and make it look like it's coming from yourselves rather than from that particular affiliate brand. And also co-branding can leverage the affiliate customer loyalty as well. There are also some network specific requirements you need to be aware of when setting up your affiliate program. So firstly, it's really important that you understand the technical capabilities of your network. So for example, does your network offer a product feed? Now, a product feed is a really cool piece of tech because it's essentially an XML feed that enables an affiliate to take all the details about the products that you sell and an image for that particular product, and then use it to populate on their website. Feeds are also quite interesting in terms of from a technical point of view, because they can help create interesting and creative formats like widgets. So they could be banner widgets, or they could be content widgets. So make sure you understand those technical capabilities of your network and what perhaps you can take advantage of for your particular brand. It's really important you also understand what creative can be supported and delivered. So make sure you get the specifications from your affiliate network and make sure you build your creative to those specifications. Now, validation period. You need to make sure that the validation period and options work for you. So this is something that you really need to consider, and it isn't necessarily related to creative, but it is important. Now, sales and leads generated via affiliate marketing networks are not automatically accepted. As a merchant, it's up to you to validate these sales or leads. And the validation period is the length of time that you have to validate these sales or leads that are generated by your affiliates. Now, this can be dictated by your network, but it can also be something that's part of your setup. So again, you can agree with the network by what time you will validate those particular sales by. It's really important you look into this, especially if you have longer validation periods, perhaps those that may have to go through financial credit checks. Affiliates are also interested in how quickly merchants validate sales, as the sooner they do, the quicker the affiliate can see the true return on investment of their promotions. So do make sure you check with your network to see whether they have procedures in place to auto-validate after a period of time, and check any rules around validations and they meet your capabilities as I previously suggested. You also have some editorial requirements when you set up your affiliate program. The most important one is going to be your merchant description. So this is a concise description of who you are as a brand, and it's all about underpinning your credibility and your unique selling point. So why should an affiliate work with you? What benefits would you offer them? Think of the things that appeal to them, so commissions, bonuses, conversions, faster validations. We also need to think about providing sales, so in terms of your product or your service, copy. So a concise description of your service, your product, or your action that you want affiliates to achieve. And again, making sure you're selling this particular action to them. You also will probably need to provide some editorial copy that affiliates can use, and this can be really important for your own brand's protection, and it can help also improve the quality of your traffic because you're giving the correct information. Affiliates might ask for unique and personalized copy, and again, as with creative, you need to weigh up the time it's going to take you to create that content and also the relative size of the opportunity. But do remember that content is now king, so it's very likely that you'll be regularly asked for affiliate editorial copy, so it's something you may need to think about how you're going to resource. And finally, an editorial requirements is going to be a welcome email. So this is an email that's sent to affiliates when they sign up to your program via the network. So it's a real opportunity for you to establish links with the affiliates. So don't waste it by just producing a very boring text email. Think about how you can make it more appealing. Also think about how you can add to it in terms of providing contact details or details perhaps of the product information, such as top 10 products, or maybe even thinking about some of the key sales areas.